Are you an accountant or a payroll analyst that does not like preparing payroll at the end of the month due to a lot of calculations, a lot of preparing from one schedule to the other, meeting up all schedule payroll items and changes? Now, this schedule is for you. This template is an automated template whereby it includes all the necessary things that you need to do when it comes to payroll. We have the payroll, monthly payroll that you are preparing. We have the bank schedule. We have the payee schedule, pension, ITF, and NSITF. Now, this schedule is automated whereby when you put information in the monthly payroll, it automatically fill the other side. Now, there's something I want to point out here. Where this is the monthly payroll, we have the number of staff, staff name, destination, department, annual gross, basic. Now, this monthly gross is divided into basic, housing, transport, leave allowance, other allowance, and total, which is based on the company policy. So you are the one to set it to your own, to meet your own company policy. Then from here is automated, and the automated aspect is actually highlighted light blue so that you don't tamper on on the formulas. And then for the actual rent, this actual rent is the actual rent for the month. If somebody is earning, if somebody is paying rent of 1.2 million every month, that means that 100,000 naira will be recognized, and then it will be calculated based on. So it means that this 20% rent, which is not more than 500,000, which is equal to this. So whatever is going you're going to put here, it can't this amount cannot be more than this, cannot be more than 41,666 naira 67 kobo. So now this is the total relief that the person will enjoy. And then we have the taxable pay, which is subjected to tax. Now the first 800 is zero, and then followed by the rest. The total monthly income for the particular month you're preparing will be this. Then if there's any loan deduction, you put it by yourself. If there's any loan deduction you need this person to be paying, you include it by yourself. And then we have the net pay. Now we have the effective rate to calculate the effective rate of this person. The effective rate is automatically calculated as well. And then at the extreme end, which is not a payroll, if it doesn't have effect on the payroll, but it's good for us to have this information, is the employer pension contribution of 10%. If we are deducting pension, then we have to deduct pension here. The employer pension have to also be computed. Now let's look at it. If you look at, if we had only 4 people here, we had only 4, they were all 4. Now let's look at this. Let's impute. We have glory. We have, for example, we have favor. Favor. The favor is an associate in bond department. And she earned 12 million. So every year she earned 1 million. Every month she earns 1 million. So it's computed. Now here, this part, you see, every other part is computed by itself, but the part where is white, you are the one to impute it. Now, for example, now this particular, she pays rent of 1.2 million. So she's paying 100,000 naira a month. So this is what she will earn. Supposing she pays rent of 300,000 naira, which is above the threshold, it will be 41 naira, 41,666 naira, which is no more than the threshold. And then this is what she's taking home. It's computed. Now, this is computed, all you just need to do focus on is on this part. Then the bank schedule is already prepared. Favor is added already for the month of March. Favor is added. And so is what she's earning here, net pay 789, is also the same thing as what was the total. Then we go to the payee schedule, the same thing. What was the tax, which is 142. for the month is the same thing as what was imputed, 42. Then we have the pension, both for the employee and the employer. Everything is, and then we have the NSITF and the ITF. Now the pension, because of it's for the year, you see everything is March 2026. If I want to prepare, for example, if I want to prepare for the month of April, all I just need to put is, I'm putting April here, and everything will change. It will reduce error. So if you go to pension, it has changed. Everything is April. So all you just need to include here in the other schedule is just the like for example the bank schedule, you include the account details. Payee schedule, you include the TIN. That's all. You don't need to go further. Then the pension schedule, you include the RSA pin and the PFA. That's all. And then the ITF, and then you have, and then NSIT, and then here we just include your impute the more information about the staff, and that's all. And then you have your payroll within a short period of time. Get this and make your life easier when preparing your staff payroll.